What's going on, guys? Welcome back to RC Everyday. I wanted to do a little bit more with this. We did the interior in the last video, and I really wanted to try the driver. So that is the driver from my original Mojave body. He's an old Tamiya bruiser driver. I painted him probably 10 years ago. He's not looking too bad, but not the best. But I do a little modifying to get him in there. I drill some holes in the seat. His legs wouldn't reach the floorboard, because this seat was the one that goes over the bucket seats on the K5 interior. The shrink one is smaller, and you have to cut the whole floor out of the seat base and glue it to it. This one actually slides over it, so it's a little bit disproportionate, but it works. And we modified him, stuck a zip tie through the seats, and I glued a zip tie loop inside of the body, and I just pulled it and fastened it from the bottom. Got him locked down in there as best I could. He doesn't fit form to the seat perfectly, but he fits pretty good. The main thing I wanted to accomplish in this was change the steering wheel. That one that comes with the Blazer body is just odd and large. So I got that axial parts tree. You can see it in there. I used the chrome paint pen. It actually worked out really good now. Got that thing shaken up finally. And it's got a custom column on it. Somebody did their own extension to move the steering wheel out where it's supposed to be. So the other steering wheel had it looked like the blinker arm on it. So we didn't have that with this one. So I just drilled a hole into the little, it's got like shrink wrap over an aluminum tube. And I just drilled a hole in there and I cut one of the regular shifters off. That's on that parts tree, painted the knob chrome, and stuck it up there. So now we got a column shift again. We've got our four-wheel drive shifter in the floor. And yeah, everything's right in the world. I was trying different bottles and stuff. I actually had some little cups I was trying to get him to hold, but that was the bottle that came with this truck. It was already in the interior. It was in the cup holder. So I have to just roll with that little piece of the history of the truck. Another reason why I grabbed that parts tree is because it had the gun rack and the guns. I did steal the gun I'd already painted out of my old Hilux. I left the rack in the window. So I just went ahead and put the new mount in, and yeah, stuck that old gun up there because it was already done. Also, I had these old rubber boots. These are dollhouse boots. I glued those in there. They should hang on. I wanted to stuff them back here, but there really wasn't enough space, and it was going to get in the way of the toolbox a little bit. I did throw a few extra things in the toolbox. A toe strap and some tarps that I made about 10 years ago that were in the original Mojave body. There's some more in there. I can't get them to come out. But just more little scale stuff. Trying to get you in there. You can see, you can't really tell his legs don't go all the way down, so it works. I shaped him on the bottom to the seat the best I could. I didn't want him to get too flat, and it looked really weird. I think we got his head at the right height. You can see that column shifter in there a lot better now. Just another little thing. I was going to do the tailgate on this truck in this video, but I don't know. I just wasn't in the mood to do body work today. So the Blazer has a different tailgate than the trucks, obviously, because it has the window that rolls down. We've got this ridge right here, and the handle on the truck one is down here, and it doesn't stick out nearly as far. Remember, these actually, like, you put a key in it, and it pops out, and you roll the window up with that handle, I believe. And we've got the inside handle. Didn't want to have to redo the whole tailgate. This one has been painted several times already, so yeah, we may get to that eventually. I was just going to pop this handle off and glue it down here. It's got two little posts, and I got it out actually before I changed my mind. So I've just been to drill a couple holes to stick the handle down there, and then cut all this off, sand it down, and just repaint it black. But I don't know, it's good enough. I like this truck a whole lot, and yeah, not trying to go all out with it, but wanted to do a little bit more on the interior. But that about covers it all for this video. Just a little more detail. This thing, I've got to get some more wheel time on it. I'm excited to take it to Crawfest and beat the creek. But I've really got this for Axial Fest because it's axial based. But I'm excited to see just how it performs because it has way more flex than it needs and way more tire than it needs. Somebody commented somewhere about rubbing. It's not really rubbing that bad. I mean, it might go a little further, but these tires are super soft. I'm more worried about this inner fender edge in here that's not catching anything. I actually saw some 3D printed inner fenders for the Blazer body somewhere. They look fantastic, but I did not buy them yet. These were homemade on here, but yeah, it'll be fine. We'll get a little bit of rubbing just like you would on the real truck. As big as that is with these tires, these are like 38s or something, so it'll be fun. But I'm gonna keep it short, guys. Appreciate y'all watching. Get out there and have some fun and keep it scale. I'll see y'all in the next video.